Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how and when to use do, does, and did. So first of all, I made this chart which will explain when to use do, does, or did. If we have I, you, we, or they as the subject, we'll use do in the present and did in the past. If you have he, she, or it as the subject, we'll use does in the present and this and did in the past. Okay, so we use do as a main verb and as an auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. Do you like fish? Do you like fish? Like here is the main verb. Do is the auxiliary verb. I do my homework. Do here is the main verb. Does, on the other hand, does is used with third person singular, such as he, she, and it. For example, this conversation between Jack and Emily. Jack says, "Look at what Julia does." And Emily replies with, "She is so funny." Jack and Emily are having a conversation about Julia. That's what third person singular means. And did is the past tense of do and does. It's just as easy as this. So I included some questions. I think they will be useful for you. First of all, do or does you still go to work? Try and find the subject. Try and remember which one of those will you use. So it is, do you still go to work? Okay, so do or does your phone still work? Does your phone still work? She do or does her homework? She does her homework. We do or does our best. We do our best. This is the last question, but I still need something from you. I need you to comment down below what lesson do you want next, or a question you want about this lesson. I'll try and answer every question you ask.